I have the pleasure of being joined by Jamie Kiser. Jamie's the Senior Vice President for Customer Success and Operations at Qlik. Jamie, thank you so much for making time to catch up with me.
Thanks for having me, Des.
So, folks, we're going to have a quick conversation with Jamie today around a number of key things, but primarily around the upcoming Qlik Connect 2024. This is Qlik's annual conference event. It's going to be held this year in Orlando, in Florida, in America, of course. It's going to be held on the week of June the 3rd to the 5th. And we're going to cover a couple of those key points. But firstly, Jamie, congratulations on coming up on, I believe it's nearly 12 months or a year since the acquisition of Talend, and now you're a part of the Qlik team. Congratulations. What's that journey in the last sort of nearly a year been like?
Thank you. Yeah, it's been a whirlwind, but incredibly fun. So as you stated, I was with Talend before we acquired Qlik. So coming up on a year next month, I was the COO at Talend and was fortunate to transition into a role in customer success, getting to partner with the Qlik team to think about how we deliver value and wake up every day thinking about our customers. So it's a pretty cool spot to be in.
Yes, indeed. Uh, what's a day in the life of Jamie Kaiser like in your new role as Senior Vice President for Customer Success and Operations at Qlik?
Yeah, one of the things I love is every day is different, right? So leaving the integration work aside, because that's just what you have to do when you bring two companies together, I'd say a typical day in the life is really spent with my team thinking about how we get in front of as many customers as possible. It is our job and our mission to make sure that as we bring the incredible portfolio of data, integration, analytics, and insights and AI products to our customers, how do we ensure they're using them? How do we make sure they know the power and the depth and breadth of what they can do? And so I have an incredible team of customer success managers and customer success engineers, and really that's what they do every day. The more time they spend with customers, the more successful we're being.
Fantastic. So Qlik Connect 2024, June 3rd through to the 5th in Orlando in Florida this year. It's actually, I believe, your first official Qlik event, but you were there last year and you attended as part of the Talend team. What kind of things are you looking forward to this year with regard to the event now that you're part of the Qlik team?
So many things. One, I'm grateful to be a presenter. We'll talk about that. I really had a fantastic time last year, but it was all so new, right? And so it is really fun to be there as an employee and be a part of the planning. I've had the good fortune of being a part of the planning team and bringing that customer lens. So last year I was more of a partner and attendee. This year I'm incredibly excited about the transition we've made in 1 year. From the buzz around the acquisition was last year's big topic. And what I think people are going to see this year is what is available and coming out in the roadmap, in the product announcements. It's incredible what's been done in 12 months. And I think being able to share that and be a part of the customer's reaction and what we can do to take their use of Qlik products forward is going to be a really cool time.
Indeed, and there's always an amazing agenda. I wonder if you can give us, without giving away too much, just a brief overview of what you're presenting on.
Sure. So I get to be a part of the Global Transformation Awards. This is an incredibly cool event that we do, a really cool part of the conference. And so we've got 5 categories that we use and customers are nominated for around things like data excellence and our Data Masters Award. And so we've got incredible customers, and it's really fantastic to read through the stories and get a deeper understanding of what customers are doing with Qlik. So I get to announce those winners. I get to be a part of the awards dinner and host the customers that are coming to that event. So that's the role I'm playing on more of a main stage perspective. And then behind the scenes, I've got roles I'll be playing in terms of customer, more intimate one-on-one, smaller customer meetings, as well as setting up some pretty fantastic booth and signature space opportunities for us to go deeper with customers.
Really looking forward to seeing that in person. I wonder if you could, you mentioned the Global Customer Transformation Awards. I wonder if you could just give us a little more insight into kind of, what it takes to lead up to that, sorts of things that you look to, and how you qualify to even be part of that, and then what that sort of selection criteria is like. And again, without giving away any names and who might have won, kind of, just a bit more detail on around, how that comes about and what that sort of looks like at the event itself.
Yeah, for sure. So we see customers who are making significant impacts with data-driven efforts. And that can be both internal usage as well as external and what they might be doing for their organization. There have to be quantifiable benefits, and it's hard, right? We go through and read tons of good nominations and stories. We also look for customers that are on cutting edge, right? Those who are using Qlik's advanced data capabilities, and of course AI, right? Des, there's the total, maybe unfair to call it a buzz, right? But you really can't have an event like ours without a massive focus around Gen AI and what our customers are doing and trying to do to further their work in that space.
Yeah, there's no lack of excitement and buzz and hype in many cases around the artificial intelligence topic. But Qlik and Talent are no strangers to machine learning and machine intelligence, and certainly AI is a broad topic. Now, there's a huge amount of focus around the topic of customer focus. And I know there's a lot of, I mean, one of the great things about coming to the event itself is that customer focus, customers meeting some of their business partners, even their own customers, and then talking to the team yourselves there at Qlik. Walk us through some of that customer-centric approach to the Qlik agenda and some of the things that you think that customers will be able to gain from coming to the event, other than seeing some great keynotes and great content and demos and so forth. And current customers and potential customers. What are some of the things that whole customer-centric focus can some of the highlights from the agenda itself that you think are going to really jump out for people attending?
Sure. You touched on the very thing that I'm so excited about with Qlik Connect, and that is the general sessions, the roadmap reviews, the keynotes are always fantastic at conferences. I walk away from them always having learned something and feeling like it was a good use of time. But what I'm really most excited about is our team and the whole event staff really thought about your point, is how do we take this to the next level? If someone's going to take a couple days out of work and travel to Orlando, what can we do to really exponentially increase the value? So we've got over 100 breakouts this year, and they're not led by just Qlik, right? It's better to have a mix of Qlik experts, but we've got customers and we've got an incredible partner ecosystem. And so those breakouts are really going to be vast in terms of what topic or problem our customers and prospects might be trying to solve. We're going to have a breakout that can help them to think about their next steps. And beyond that, we've got a fantastic certifications program. I work closely with our education team, and they're really excited about the breadth and depth of certifications. We will have Talent and Qlik certifications this year on the full portfolio of products that we offer. And then in addition to that, we have a track on hands-on workshops. And I love this because of the practical nature, right? We do have all levels and roles that might come. So from executives down to practitioners. And I think for people who are in the use of the applications and using Qlik tools, how cool for them to come and really walk away with tangible benefits being able to do these workshops. So I think it's just the full breadth of what folks can get from the event that I'm most excited about.
Indeed, and last year in particular, as you saw, was no exception. I know this year will be even bigger and better. But that combination of great keynotes, breakout sessions, panels, and then the actual expo floor, being able to walk around and see the things in real life, meet real people, some of the little mini breakout stands on the floor. That was such a great combination. Being able to seeing some of the keynotes, and then go out and actually talk to the people themselves who are on stage. And there's some obvious favorites, Mike Capone and Chris Powell and so forth, are always our favorites. But for you, who are some of the standouts that you're looking forward to with regard to some of the keynotes and presentations this year on the main stage?
Yeah, so from a customer perspective, I'm excited to have some customers there. We'll hear from Siemens and BMW. We've got Transbank, Takuchi US. And so again, I mentioned it earlier, but I think nothing tells a story better about what you do as a company than your customers speaking about it, right? So that is just a snapshot into some of the customers I'm most excited about. We do have Greg Robinson from was a NASA program director doing the keynote, and I think his story and time will be incredibly powerful. So you're right. In addition to Mike and Chris, James Fisher, and the incredible team at Qlik that always deliver a powerful story, there's a really, really good lineup of folks coming this year.
There is, and it would be remiss of me not to mention the amazing demo that took place on stage live last year. Once the announcement of Talent had been made, the Talent team and the Qlik team doing the whole Talent data transformation integration, and then into Qlik for data analytics and the data cloud. And what took my breath away at the end is when I realized it wasn't actually just a replay of video. They were doing it live on stage. on Wi-Fi on a third-party network, and it worked seamlessly and it worked in real time. So, there's some pretty amazing things done on that stage, and I can't wait to see what you've got in store for us this year. I'm very excited about it. So for folk who've tuned in, our viewers, our listeners, our readers, our subscribers, followers, and so forth, I wonder if you could just give us a quick summary on kind of where folk can go to learn more about the event for Qlik Connect this 2024, and obviously we'd like them to register and come along and attend.
Absolutely. You won't want to miss it. And so the main place to go is the Qlik website. So at qlik.com, folks can get all the information needed on what's coming up for Qlik Connect, and obviously to register. All the social platforms, right? If you follow hashtag Qlik Connect, you can get lots of information, and there are tons of snippets coming out that share with folks what are some of these additional details beyond what you and I have talked about today, so that folks can help understand why should they come, and hope we get folks registered and see everyone in June. Looking forward to it.
Indeed. Well, Jamie Kiser, thank you so much for making time to catch up with me. It's been great to learn about your new role as the Senior Vice President for both Customer Success and Operations at Qlik. We're certainly a big fan of your amazing work when you were at Talent as the Chief Operating Officer there. It's been an amazing year to see you build this role and turn it into an amazing success story. I can't wait to see your particular session this year in a couple of weeks' time at Qlik Connect 2024, June 3rd to the 5th in Orlando, in Florida. And folks, we will have details with links and other information around the hashtags and various profiles with both Jamie and the company. And wherever you see this video, you'll have a link to the website for the event. And of course, we would love you to not only learn more about it, but register and come along and attend. And if for some reason you can't attend in person, which we would lament, we will certainly have details where you can see some of the live streams, and we'll be able to follow it online in digital and social platforms. And as Jamie said, follow the Qlik Connect hashtag in whatever platform you choose. Jamie, thank you so much for your time. It's been great to see you, and we'll look forward to seeing you in a few weeks in person.
You as well, Des. Thank you so much for the time.
Thanks, Jamie.